Now in 2024, two standout performing assets have been Bitcoin and the dollar. The so-called Trump trade has benefited both these assets. The real question, though, is which of those two will be the world's currency by the end of 2025? Take a look at this next report as we deep dive into the factors favoring the real currency and the virtual token and the risks for the assets in 2025.
Thanks to hawkish Federal Reserve forecast and a strong U.S. economy, the dollar reached a two-year high at the end of 2014, marking the currency's best year in nearly a decade. This is largely due to robust domestic growth, a strong labor market, and persistent inflation that is higher than the Federal Reserve's 2% objective. Trump 2.0 is another factor influencing bets in favor of the greenback. That is apart from U.S. policymakers' decision to reduce their expectations for monetary easing next year. In contrast to many other industrialized nations, the United States' booming economy is making waves. The currency's safe haven status has worked to its advantage, and it is expected to continue in 2025. The risk of Trump's trade tariffs have also strengthened the dollar. The dollar is the most favored Trump trade in play for next year. On the other hand, the chart-busting rally in cryptos in 2024 is now showing major turnaround from the pandemic lows. The market value of cryptos has surged to nearly $4 trillion. Bitcoin in particular has seen over a 150% rally in 2024, with the OG token surging to a new all-time high above $108,000. However, the momentum in Bitcoin's rally has now taken a hit. This comes on the back of a hawkish Fed. With cryptos failing in the final victory lap of the year, the dramatic surge in Bitcoin trading activity demonstrates a strong uptick in interest from wider financial market participants. Speculation over Bitcoin has reached a fever pitch known as FOMO, fear of missing out. Trump's promise to free the crypto industry from regulatory constraints has strengthened the demand for crypto exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Institutional investors are on a tear with Bitcoin and Ethereum bets, and they are pursuing the OG token's price higher and higher. Predictions are for Bitcoin to reach $500,000 or even $1 million. Those bets are already at play due to the enticing promise of a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. Bitcoin was once dismissed as the wild fantasies of crypto zealots. However, many of the previously quoted exaggerated price predictions for the initial coin are now becoming more plausible. $100,000 per Bitcoin was called a fantasy not too long ago. However, that is the reality today. Remember that the value of this asset has skyrocketed from 5 cents in 2010. ETFs have mitigated the perceived danger of investing in a crypto-native firm like FTX, which went bankrupt in 2022 and sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market to a large extent. The market's institutional whales' wallets are getting fatter and fatter. There need to be more sellers to keep prices from skyrocketing. This is true among the original Bitcoiners who are hesitant to sell. So this asset class is here to stay, and 2025 promises to be an even better year for cryptos. However, when compared to the dollar, Bitcoin bets seem less assured. The reasons are clear. Trump's trade and foreign policies are expected to be inflationary. That is likely to keep the Fed's cutting cycle in check. The Fed's easing is a big driver of Bitcoin. A Bitcoin rally is fizzling in the final days of a record-breaking year for the digital asset. While supported by Trump's administration, the crypto token will be more measured by the Fed's action. With the U.S. central bank looking beyond the near term, bets in favor of the dollar have surged. What helps the greenback more is the currency's safe haven appeal. This comes despite the world's de-dollarization efforts, especially those countries which face the United States' weaponization of the currency in geopolitics. While countries look to move away from the greenback in foreign trade, the dollar is the reserve currency of the world, and experts say that this trend is here to stay.